What's up, guys? This is William from Night Import. I'm heading to Tab Tuesday meet. And I am caravanning with Jose here. There's Jose's beautiful Audi right there. I call him the Eurotuner star because this car was featured in Eurotuner. But there it is, guys. Sexy. Be back, guys. Okay, we're back. I'm with Jose here. You guys saw his car rolling on the freeway, Eurotuner. And this meet is pretty crazy today, guys. So many cars. Took us about 20 minutes to find a parking spot. And Jose's car should be parked here, but all these weird looking ones and good looking ones. XPs. Oh, we got an FD here, guys. We got an RX-7 FD here. Look at that. It's dirty, but it's all good. Food trucks. One love.
Oh, no parking, bro.
Oh, we have Norman's car. SR20 powered right here. And cars are rolling. And oh, look at this. Shit. Initial D status right here, man. I have a Hachiroku. Go past. It has all the everything from the original initial D. And here's another A86. Okay, this is the car that I'm gonna feature soon, guys. So check it out. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll bet.
super clean.
Okay. We got a 350s here on full T37s. And we're walking and walking. And all these people that I've never seen before. Oh, we got some few E86s here today. Not bad. Jose, what do you think so far, man?
Pretty good,
Pretty good? Pretty good? Seems like no car problems like last time, which is good, like always. Oh, damn, we have a notice here, yo. Oh, hell no. Okay, this is a perfect example when I'm talking about fake BBS, okay? Now, if you have a rim like that, guys, and you put a BBS on a cap like that, do not fake the funk, okay? You're not supposed to put some fake wheels and slap on a BBS on a cap. Well, let me double check if it's real or fake. No, that's not real. It's not real. Sword. Whoa, it is, right?
Yeah.
The original, the old school, old class sword, guys, with Vogues. That is sick. Nice. Oh no, this is the Supra. What? The version. The one of interest. A lot of XPs are doing. Oh, here's Josh's car from Murrieta right here, guys. Hood rest stuff. A lot of XPs here today. Cars rolling and rolling and oh, and we have someone here cleaning the windows. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on. Here's a Soarer with I think there's a 2JZ in here. 2JZ GT.
This one?
I think so. If it's the right car, then I'm not sure. It has the same wheels from the one that I featured before. And 5 minutes already, shit. Okay, guys, gonna wrap it up. Look at this, guys. The Christmas spirit. This is what's up. Some reindeer horns. I'm a nurse. Look at that. License plate, guys. I'm a nurse. Okay, guys. It got raided, obviously. Popo. Hello, cop.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, they're not being mean or anything. there's cops way over there. They're giving, they're just pretty much giving warnings to the food trucks, telling everyone to leave because these guys did have permits, but they didn't have the city permits to actually, you know, to meet here. And oh, sorry, it's 13. Okay, everyone needs to go.
Oh, that's just right.
Norman's car, which I'll be featuring soon. RPS 13 over there. Bye bye. 180 SX.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.